Hey guys, it's Spencer. This is our coffee shop. So in here, you have the ability to buy coffee. One of my favorite drinks to get from here is the Big Train. They have a lot of flavors. My personal favorite is the cookies and cream. Another thing that you'll find in here is people studying. So this makes for a great place to just come, hang out, and get a lot of homework done. Another thing that people do in here is play games. So we have a lot of board games over here, and sometimes you'll find people just playing games. One last thing that we like to do a lot is patio parties. So around here, you'll find a bunch of people just hanging out, making s'mores, having fun, just things like that.
Thank you for joining us on our campus tour. Make sure you go follow us on social media at OCLU Univ, as well as check out our website, oclu.edu. If you want any more information on what God is doing here at Oklahoma Wesleyan University, please email us. You can email us at admissions@oclu.edu. If you want to talk with faculty members, see more in-depth views of some of the buildings that you got a preview at, please feel free to reach out to us. We want to talk to you. Thank you for experiencing a place that has changed my life, Oklahoma Wesleyan University.